What's up, my friends? My name is Dave, Relative Martian. Thanks for joining me. Today I get to show you this 1995. This is an XR7 Mercury Cougar, so this has a 4.6 liter V8. But guys, this car is like as close to new as you're gonna get. This is a one-owner car. It's a true survivor. Never had any restoration work. Clean carfax, no accidents, and everything works on the car. At least that I haven't found anything working. All the lights work, all the gauges work, all the blinkers, radio, clock, everything works. The inside is immaculate. I mean, it is next to new. So this car is currently on Bring a Trailer with 2 days remaining on the auction. I've had some requests for a video, so I'm gonna quick edit this up and pop it on there. I'm going to show you everything I can. I'll give you a cold start and let you hear it run. Man, this thing idles perfect. It runs great. This car is turnkey, ready to go. Drive it anywhere you want right now today. So I know the new owner of this car is going to be 100% happy, and this car is going to be preserved for a long time because it's only original once. Anyways, my name's Dave, Relative Martian. Hit the like button, do subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the Cougar. Enjoy.